what does dropout layer does and what are we trying to achieve with that. Dropout is nothing but basically what you're saying is that while you are doing the training process, you don't pass, or you just basically stop, or you basically drop few of the out layers or few of the neurons when you are training, not layers. So that is what actually dropout means. So what will happen is that in one iteration, 20% of your neurons, or you can also drop out layers, so those will not get fired. But in other scenarios, those might get fired, right? So technically what is happening is that you are not training those neurons for certain samples. And because of that, it will not learn the patterns from those samples. And because of that, what is happening is that your model is generalizing better, which is basically it's not overfitting. What if, like, if you pass all your samples to all the neurons, then neurons will basically learn all the patterns which is there in your data. But when you do dropout, those neurons will not learn certain samples, which will make it generalize better. So that will help your model to perform better in the real case scenarios. And that is why we use dropout layer. Dropout does not mean that those neurons will, like, you will basically not use those neurons when you're actually predicting. Those neurons will be used when you're doing the real prediction. It's just that those neurons are not fully optimized for the entire data set.